pocket full of rye, 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. I wasn't necessary to set before the king. The king was in his house, counting cows, counting all his money. The queen was in the parlour, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes, when down came a blackbird and pecked off her nose.
Oh, well done. That was fantastic.
How cute are you? Cookie.
Who's that?
Baby Cole.
Your baby.
Yeah.